Hi, welcome guys. My name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6 of Odia assignments of iOS. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And we provide the consulting services for future guidance. If you need this, you can save us our number on future purpose and you can call anytime. Now here the question number 1 we are discussing here, which is in the Odia. So we have prepared all the assignments if you need this. And so here 1 to 3 is about 40 to 60 words answers. Question number 4 and 5, which is 100 to 150 answers, and question number 6, which is a project based question. So you have to write in the 500 words. If you want these answers, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.